Welcome to Ben Talks Money. Here we discuss stocks, investments, ETFs, and personal finance.
Hello, welcome back to Ben Talks Money. My name is Ben. I have an MBA in Finance and Management. I've been trading for 8 years and I'm a full-time options trader. So in this video, we talk about Sofi, the one stock that I think everybody should have on their portfolio. And I will explain why. So if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share. And humbly, please help me get to 4,000 subscribers. I'm getting close to it, and your subscription will go a long way in helping me achieve that goal. So Sofi has been doing incredibly good this year. It's right now trading around $30.60 as of the time of recording. But why is Sofi so hot? Why is everybody mentioning Sofi? And the reason is that when Sofi reported their last quarter earnings, the company grew by 35 to 40%. And you don't find a lot of companies on Wall Street growing year on year by 40%. And also, just in the last quarter alone, the company added almost 1 million new members. This is an incredible growth for a company like Sofi. And if you look at the new products that they've been adding to their platform, first of all, they have this new feature that will allow you to send money abroad. They added options trading. They have a lot of new features coming on their platform. So this makes Sofi more attractive to investors on Wall Street. And that is why the stock keep going up. After the earnings, we had a little bit of a dip because the whole market was coming down. That is why the stock came down. If you don't have any fintech at all in your portfolio, Sofi is one stock that you should have in your portfolio. It's usually between Sofi and Robinhood, but Robinhood right now is a little bit more expensive than Sofi, and Sofi has a lot of room to go when you compare that to Robinhood. And this is not a financial advice. If you want to buy Sofi, do your own research and make sure that you understand the fundamentals and it fits your risk profile before you go in. This is just for educational purpose only. So let's take a look at the daily chart to see where Sofi is right now and where there might be a possible entry point for you. You can see that Sofi has been doing incredibly well from $9 back in April. You can see it from the daily chart here. This stock went from $9 back in April all the way straight up here to $32. And in the last couple of days, the stock has been trying to break out of this level. You can see Sofi went all the way up here to 31. That was the first new all-time high. And then it came down here. So when it came down here, we got into Sofi. We took it all the way up here. And after the earnings, when we saw the whole market was coming down, we got out of it. And on Friday, you can see this candle here on Friday. On Friday, we broke below the 50-day SMA. That's the red line right here. We broke below the 50-day SMA and got into around $25, but the 25 level was a strong support level. So we pick up some call options on Sofi and we push straight up here. We close around $28 on Friday, which was great. And then the stock is up almost 9% today. So if you don't have Sofi now and you want to get in, what I would suggest is that you can see that we are nearing a flat top breakout right here, which is going to take us to the all-time high of $32. It's around $32.65. So if you don't have Sofi and this is the first time you want to get into a position or you sold and you want to get back in, I would say you have to wait and see this flat top breakout here. Give it room to break above $31. If it breaks above $31 with volume, maybe you might want to watch it on the 15 minutes candle or the 30 minutes candle. The longer time frame gives you more clear understanding of what the price action is looking to be. So if Sofi breaks up above $31 with volume and then it pull back in here to retest $30.70 support zone, that would be a good entry for you. You don't want to be caught in a false breakout. But also, I think if they pass the bill to reopen the government, you can bet that companies like Sofi, they are going to benefit greatly. One of the reasons why the stock is up almost 9% today. And if the government reopens, you can see Sofi hitting $35 and probably $40 by the end of the year. So this is an incredibly great opportunity to get into Sofi. The company, the fundamentals are strong. They have strong fundamentals. Their earnings are strong. They are coming up with new product, and it's a great opportunity to get in. It's one of the stocks that you want to invest in it for the long term. Don't be surprised if next year by this time Sofi will be around $50, $60, or even $100. We've seen that from Robinhood. We've seen that from Palantir. I wouldn't be surprised if Sofi gets to $100 next year by this time. So what is your play on Sofi? Do you have Sofi? Are you buying Sofi? Are you looking to buy Sofi? What is your overall thought on this company? Let me know in the comment section below. And if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. And until next time, Let's keep talking money.